The Rain app lets employees access a portion of their already earned paycheck before payday by connecting to participating employers' payroll systems. By the end, you'll know how Rain's earned wage access works, what it actually changes in your paycheck timing, and whether it's useful or just another cash advance app. Start with how it works. Rain connects to your employer's payroll system. It tracks the hours you've already worked and shows you a portion of your earned wages before your scheduled payday. Now explain what that means. You are not borrowing money in the traditional sense. You are accessing wages you've already earned, but have not been paid yet. Now explain the key limitation. Rain only works if your employer uses a compatible payroll setup. If your employer is not partnered or integrated, the app cannot function. Now explain the user experience. When it is available, you request a transfer inside the app and receive funds based on your available earned balance. That balance updates as you continue working. Now explain the main benefit. The main benefit is timing control over your paycheck. Instead of waiting for a fixed payday, you can access part of your earnings earlier. Now explain the main trade-off. Accessing wages early reduces what you receive on your actual payday, because the money is already paid out in advance. Now explain when it makes sense. It makes sense when you have short-term timing gaps between expenses and payday, like bills due before your paycheck clears. Now explain when it does not make sense. It does not make sense if you rely on early access every pay cycle to stay afloat. That can turn into a habit of constant early withdrawals. Now explain how it compares to cash advance apps. Unlike typical cash advance apps, earned wage access is tied directly to your actual hours worked. That makes it more structured and less like a loan. Now explain the big picture. Rain is a timing tool, not an income boost. It does not increase how much you earn. It only changes when you can access what you already earn. Now, summarize the key points. Rain gives you early access to wages you have already earned. It only works with participating employer payroll systems. And its main purpose is fixing paycheck timing, not increasing income. One practical, next step. But check whether your employer supports Rain before downloading it, because availability matters more than features. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of financial apps, without the confusion.